Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install Tailspace 7.7 on VMware Workstation. Okay, first go to Tailspace official website, it is tails.net. Then click on install Tails. See here the latest release at the time of making this video, Tails 7.7. Scroll down, click on burning a Tails DVD. Then click on download Tails 7.7 ISO image. See, download started, go to download, see here its size is about 1.9 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. Then click on create a new virtual machine or go to file and select new virtual machine. Both are same. Click on next. Then select the installer disk image file. Then click on browse. Then select the downloaded ISO file. See here we have the 7.7. Click on it to open. Click on next. Now select the Linux and version is Debian 64-bit or latest version of Debian. Then click on next. Now provide the name for the virtual machine. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is a default location. If you want some other location, click on browse and select the path where you have the enough space. Now provide the disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, this is the virtual machine summary. If you want to modify any one of these settings, suppose I want to increase memory to 4 gigabytes. Click on customize hardware. Then increase the memory. Click on close. Click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on edit virtual machine settings or right click and select settings or go to VM and select settings. All three options are same. If you want to provide description for this virtual machine, you can provide here. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is Tails 7.7 and hit enter. See, welcome to Tails. See, these are the default values set for the language and formats. If you want to change any one of them, just you need to click on the option, you can select search and you can select the option. If you want to create persistent storage, just you need to turn on, otherwise turn it off. And additional settings, click on this plus button for additional settings. See, these are the default values. By default, administration change, administration password set false off. So click on it and set the password for administration. Then click on add. Remaining options I am going with the default, so click on start Tails. See, got the Tails voice. See, tar connection. Select this radio button, connect to tar automatically. Click on connect to tar. Now open terminal or console. Now verify the version /etc os-release. See, we have installed Tailspace 7.7. Start tar browser. The first step after connecting to Tailspace is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update upsend sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. What is the password of the administration? Hit enter. Okay, it is okay. This will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Tailspace 7.7 on VMware Workstation. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.